this video, we're going to be going over how to use the RSS feed and the Twitter account link in your ScreenHub slide editor. So the first thing we're going to do is navigate the playlist you want to add the slide to with these widgets. We'll hit the edit button on that playlist to get us into the slide editor. We will then navigate, find the slide that we want to put those widgets on. I always like to hit save, and first we'll start off with Twitter. So you can see it's the bottom icon all the way on the left of all your widgets here. It'll be the little Twitter icon. If you click on it, it won't have anything right to start. You can select the number of tweets as the icon, and the widget will cycle through however many tweets that you allow, and it'll start from most recent all the way to least, and it'll just keep cycling through at whichever interval you set. 5 seconds is default. So all you have to do is add the handle of the account here. You hit update, it will instantly link and then pull that account. There are a few things that you can toggle here as the name, the screen name, the handle, location, the actual tweet itself. You can do profile image, banner image, and then the Twitter logo is also always on there by default. So these work just like normal text and text boxes, so we can drag them and put them wherever we'd like. They all just default right in the middle there to give you that option so you can stylize however you would like. So this is always automatic, and it'll always default this way, so that way you can get in and make it look however you'd like. You can always double click, make sure we highlight everything, and we can change all of the content here. We can change the size, we can bold, we can change the color, just like any other text box that you would see. So moving on, we can look at the RSS feed, as it will format in the same way and kind of functions the exact same. So if you click on RSS, it will format just like this, and by default in ScreenHub it is set up to the NASA's account. So we will have the same thing, as we can set the enclosure, which is any pictures or media that are attached to an RSS feed, the description, the title, the created link, the actual link, and the URL. So we can see all this information displays right here. We can also pull and format to however we'd like. And if you do have a managed RSS feed, you can always implement it. It doesn't have to be a public one. As long as the RSS feed link is active, it will 100% pull just like it does. And you can set the interval here as well if you would like. By default, it is also 5 seconds. But as you can see, if we toggle these things on and off, they can appear and disappear for us. We'll see that here. And that is how you use an RSS feed and Twitter link activation in your ScreenHub slide editor.